The health benefits of Himalayan salt are undeniable. It is widely regarded as one of the healthiest salts on Earth. This natural mineral has been used for centuries to treat various illnesses and ailments, from heart disease and arthritis to asthma and depression. It also reduces the risk of cancer and Alzheimer's disease. In this video, we discuss the many health benefits of using Himalayan salt in your diet and show you how to use it to improve your overall well-being. The Himalayan salt is extracted from the sea and is one of the oldest salts on Earth. The salt is created by evaporating seawater in deep pits dug into the salt beds of the Himalayan Mountains. The ancient people of the Himalayan region were the first to learn how to extract salt from the earth. Here are the best health benefits of the Himalayan salt for the human body. 1. The Himalayan salt can help to improve blood pressure. Himalayan salt can help to reduce high blood pressure by increasing the amount of sodium in your body. The increased amount of sodium in your body can help to reduce the stress on your heart. It is also known that the increased amount of sodium in your body can help prevent blood clot formation. Therefore, Himalayan salt can be beneficial for people with high blood pressure. 2. The Himalayan salt is excellent for your digestive system. There are many different types of salts in the world, but the Himalayan salt is one of the best to improve digestion. It can help improve your digestion by increasing the amount of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Hydrochloric acid can help to reduce the formation of indigestion and stomach pain. The acid makes it easier for you to digest your food and helps soften the stools in your body, making them easier to pass through your digestive system. The Himalayan salt can also treat digestive disorders like IBS, constipation, and chronic diarrhea. Hence, it's the best salt for your health and highly recommended for people with sensitive stomachs or digestive disorders. 3. The Himalayan salt can help boost your immune system. The immune system is your body's defense mechanism against diseases and infections. It is the response of your body to fight off microorganisms and other harmful substances that can cause illness. It contains many different minerals and nutrients that are needed by your body to keep it healthy and strong. Some of these compounds include magnesium, calcium, potassium, and sodium. Our bodies require these minerals to prevent and help fight disease. The Himalayan salt also contains iodine, essential for your thyroid gland to produce hormones that regulate metabolism, ensuring that you have enough energy and can function correctly. 4. The Himalayan salt can help you detoxify your body system. In purifying your body, the Himalayan salt helps to eliminate toxins and waste products from your body. It also helps to prevent kidney stones and other health problems. The high magnesium content in the Himalayan salt helps to remove accumulated toxins from your body. Potassium and sodium help your body maintain electrolyte balance, which is necessary to function your organs properly. In addition, Himalayan salt has antioxidants that help you fight free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive compounds that cause oxidative damage to your cells, tissues, and DNA. They can also lead to degeneration of your heart and blood vessels. The antioxidants in the Himalayan salts help to neutralize free radicals and stop oxidative damage from occurring. 5. The Himalayan salt can help regulate cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a fatty substance present in all cells of the body. It is essential for the structure and function of your cells and plays a role in producing hormones. When cholesterol levels are high, it can lead to inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and other conditions. Himalayan salt helps to control and reduce cholesterol levels so you can live a healthy life. It has mild natural alkalinity, which helps to balance your body's pH levels. It also contains trace minerals that help to regulate cholesterol, including magnesium, calcium, manganese, and zinc. When the liver is not functioning properly, it can lead to poor cholesterol levels and other health problems. Himalayan salt helps to support the liver and its functions so that you can maintain healthy cholesterol levels. It is rich in iodine, which has been found to help prevent thyroid problems. 6. The Himalayan salt can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation can be a sign of many different problems. If the body is inflamed, it can lead to several health problems, such as joint and muscle pain, low energy levels, weight gain, and fatigue. Himalayan salt can help to reduce inflammation in the body. It is rich in trace minerals, which have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect on the body and can help to reduce pain and fatigue. 7. The Himalayan salt improves your mood and cognitive functions. Another common effect of iodine deficiency is mood swings and cognitive impairment. The lack of iodine in the body can cause the brain to be deprived of its natural ingredients, resulting in low energy levels and mood swings. This condition may also lead to short-term memory loss. Himalayan salt is an excellent source of healthy iodine, an essential nutrient for the brain and nervous system. According to a study by the University of California, Riverside, when people consume large amounts of the mineral, they are less prone to mood swings and cognitive impairment. The study also found that salt helped to improve memory and concentration. 8. The Himalayan salt improves your hair and skin complexion. When iodine is in short supply, the thyroid gland can become overactive, resulting in various symptoms, including dry skin and hair. If you have dry skin or acne, the lack of iodine in the body can worsen these conditions. The Himalayan salt is rich in iodine, helping to improve your skin. It contains many trace minerals, including magnesium and potassium, essential for hair growth and keeping healthy skin. 9. The Himalayan salt helps improve fertility. The ability of the body to generate and sustain life is at its highest when young. As we age, however, our bodies tend to lose this ability. The Himalayan salt helps maintain and restore a youthful state of health by stimulating hormonal activity in the body, especially in women. It has been used to help restore fertility in both men and women and has been shown to aid in conception when taken as part of a natural fertility booster. The Himalayan salt helps protect the reproductive organs from oxidative stress thanks to its compound, sodium chloride. It supports the body's ability to produce and maintain healthy reproductive tissue. 10. The Himalayan salt can help relieve stress, anxiety, and depression symptoms. The body's excess stress can cause some problems, including anxiety, depression, and irritability. The minerals in the Himalayan salt can help lower stress levels, as they can help regulate the body's hormones and nervous system. They act as natural sedatives to help you sleep better, easing anxiety and depression symptoms. In addition, they help support the body's natural endocrine system. It helps regulate the production of the critical stress hormones cortisol, adrenaline, and corticosterone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 health benefits of pink Himalayan salt benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.